26:1 thrust ratio, 950 pounds of force easily extrudes the thickest of materials. Comfortable grip. Ergonomic rubber trigger and push release. Revolving barrel. Allows for effortless maneuvering in tight, hard-to-reach areas. Includes seal punch ladder hook. Quickly puncture the seal of Caulk cartridges and hangs easily on a ladder when not in use. Drip-free technology. Stops the flow of material quickly by releasing the lever. Top reviews from the United States. A Caulk gun I've always wanted. For years, despite how many super tools I own, I've had old, clickety-clack Caulk guns. Cheap, thin, difficult to use. I've seen the $30 guns at the big box stores and have wanted to get one for years. After a Caulk job a few days ago, I couldn't take it any longer and ordered this gun. Wow. Super quality, heavy, easy to use. I have one question. How can you make something with this much quality and sell it for less than $20? Thanks. It was a great purchase.